Messenger call problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can fix the messenger call problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're not being able to use calls properly on Messenger, you're trying to call someone with, let's say, a video call or an audio call, but you're not being able to do so. Now in that case, most likely it is lacking a certain permission, which is microphone permission or camera permission. So depending upon the phone that you're using, you can simply open up the settings application on your Android phone, then just go to apps. Under apps, you simply have to basically search for the Messenger app here and then make sure to tap on it. Once you go to the Messenger app, in this case, you'll come to this page where you have to go to permissions and tap on permissions. Here you can see camera. Make sure you allow the camera permission. After that, you can also see microphone. Make sure that you allow the microphone, because during a call your phone uses the camera and the microphone, and if Messenger app is not allowed to access those, it will not be able to place calls. After that, come back here, and then after you have done that, you can simply go to the storage tab again. Then just make sure to clear the cache files. Do not clear data, because that will reset the app. If Messenger app has an update, also just try to check if it has an update and update it to the latest version. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.